Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Squid Game. First, you'll want to open the Roblox application on your preferred device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or phone. Once inside, navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top, and type in Squid Game. You'll see many options, so pick one with a high player count and good reviews to ensure a quality experience. Joining a game is as simple as clicking on its icon and then selecting the play button. Get ready for some intense challenges. Roblox Squid Game features several iconic challenges. In red light, green light, you must freeze when the giant doll turns around and says red light, moving only during green light. Tug of war is a team effort, where 10 players on each side pull a rope over a chasm. The glass bridge tests your memory and luck as you choose between two types of glass panels. Finally, marbles is a one-on-one game of strategy, where you aim to take all your opponent's marbles. Each game requires unique skills. To survive the intense challenges, strategic thinking is crucial. During red light, green light, observe the patterns of the doll and other players, move in short bursts. In tug of war, coordinate with your team, pulling together on a count of 3. For the glass bridge, try to remember which panels break or let others go first to test the path. Always prioritize your own survival, especially in the initial rounds, and avoid unnecessary risks. Staying calm under pressure will significantly increase your chances. For advanced play and to ultimately win, consistent performance is key. Practice each minigame to understand its nuances and develop muscle memory. In games like marbles, try to outsmart your opponent with clever tactics. Forming temporary alliances can be beneficial in some versions, but always be wary of betrayal. Remember, the goal is to be the last player standing, which often means making tough decisions. With dedication and smart play, you can conquer all the challenges and claim victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.